Monica, did you pick?
Cancer doesn't care that Catherine wasn't ready to lose her dad.
A minute would go by and I couldn't hang out with him. And it just made me feel sad.
Or that Terry would rather be with her kids than at chemo.
There's things about having cancer is that you don't feel like you have a lot of control.
And cancer certainly doesn't care that it's cost Kathy 8 years of her life. Kathy only cares that the drugs that keep her alive are available.
As you can see, this is my lifeline. It literally is my lifeline. Because the drugs that I take are what's keeping me alive.
If you look 5 or 10 years ago, we used to have maybe 1 or 2 shortages a year. Now it seems like there's 3 shortages a month. So it's just not good, and it's a terrible trend.
The FDA said last year there were 178 drugs on the shortage list. Today, that list is almost 200. Doxil is one of them. It's a chemotherapy medication used to treat several different kinds of cancer.
Doxil might have been a very good choice, and we're unable at this point to put new patients on it.
Doxil has no substitute, so if you would have benefited from it, your doctors now have to rethink how they plan to treat your cancer. And changing plans takes time and costs money.
Pharmaceutical companies look at it from one angle, which is basically dollars and cents.
Money is just part of it. Sometimes there is a shortage of raw materials. Too often, the quality doesn't measure up. And most of the time, hospitals don't know whether the drug they want will be available or not.
There have been so many shortages right now, and we scrambled our way through all of them, that one day you wonder that if you're not going to be able to scramble your way through it and someone's going to get really hurt.
Which brings us back to Kathy.
If I don't have these drugs, I will die faster than I will normally be dying.
Over 80% of hospitals report postponing treatments for patients due to the shortages. This means more worry for kids who watch their parents get sick, more stress for families, and for Kathy, more uncertainty, waiting for drugs she may not get.